Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic Ford Puma 1 litre turbo EcoBoost mild hybrid titanium with the DCT automatic gearbox. This vehicle has currently done 8,531 miles and it's finished in the colour solar silver. It's an excellent small SUV. It sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. It features LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 456 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,216 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely cloth interior. It features ice fix points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel you have your cruise control. On the right you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster. On this display here you've got access to your digital speedometer. You can also access your driver assist display. There's your navigation, audio and telephone menus. Vehicle information. You can access tyre pressure information and your engine oil life, and you also have your trip computer where you have your average fuel consumption and average speed. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. This system has DAB and FM radio. You can also play your own music with USB inputs and Bluetooth audio. With Bluetooth you also have your phone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system features built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. There's your apps here with access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can pair your smartphone up and safely make hands-free phone calls and texts while on the go. In your settings you've got access to system and vehicle settings. You've got your driver assist features, including your lane keeping system and pre-collision assist to keep you safe and secure while you're on the go. This Puma features front and rear parking sensors, a reverse camera, and it also comes with park assist. You've got parallel and perpendicular parking which it can do. It simply parks itself into the space to take the stress away from you doing it. Below from the display you have your automatic air conditioning. In the center console there's your automatic gear selector along with a 12-volt socket and USB input. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.